Enough talking, let's get started. One more thing I forgot to mention, source code for this project is totally free. I will add a link of my GitHub repository. From there you can download all source code and use it for your own. And if you want to learn more about PHP, I have some tutorials. Before you watching this tutorial, you should know basics of PHP. For that, I have a simple PHP tutorial where you can learn basics of PHP, MySql CRUD operation. From here, you can know how to use create, read, update and delete functionalities in PHP along with MySQL database. Enough talking and enough marketing. Let's get into the tutorial. Open your file manager if you are using Windows and you have installed XAMPP. You can go to C drive. From there you can find a folder that is XAMPP XAMPP. From there you need to go to htdocs folder. I am using Linux, so I need to go to this auth folder, opt. From here I have installed XAMPP and here is my htdocs folder. You just need to find this htdocs folder, and inside this folder I am going to create a new folder that is user-auth. Okay, now open your Visual Studio Code. I have installed Visual Studio Code on my Linux system. If you want to know how to install softwares on Linux, then I have tutorial series. Go to auth lamp and here is my htdocs folder. I need to include the folder I have made, that is user-auth. From here I am going to create a file index.php. Before writing any lines of code of PHP, let me install an extension of PHP in Visual Studio Code. This one is better. I think you should use IntelliSense. Okay, install this extension. Okay, it is installed. Now in our index.php, let me write some HTML code. Shift on and press tab. Okay, let's make a header 2 and press tab. User auth. From your XAMPP control panel, start MySQL database and Apache web server. Your XAMPP control panel look different on Windows system. Okay, once you have started XAMPP control panel, open your favorite web browser. From there just write the URL localhost / name of your project, that was user-auth. That project you have made inside htdoc folder, that was user-auth. Next we are going to use Materalize css for styling our css. This is a very good framework supported by Google. You just need to click on get started. From here we are going to download Materalize. Click on download. Okay, download now. I am using xdm download manager, extreme download manager, so that is why it is looking like this. Open the folder. Here I have downloaded this Materalize. Just right click on it and extract here. Okay, if you are using Windows, you can do the same thing with whatever it calls. I think it WinRAR. Okay, Now go to htdocs. Inside htdocs we have the project we have made inside htdocs. That was user-auth. Here we are going to paste our JS CSS files. Okay, let me make it minimize. Okay, below our title let's link our CSS file. Let's tab CSS /. Let me check the name of our file, that was Materalize css min.css. Control A, Control C and Control V. Paste in the place of style.css. Let me add the JavaScript file, script tab. Okay, now go to Materalize CSS official website. Let's use a component. Let's use a navbar. I'm going to use this first navbar. Just copy this nav and paste it here as well. In the place of user auth, just paste this navbar. Save it and let me check on the browser. Okay, it's looking perfect. That means Materalize CSS is working perfectly on my system. Now here inside user auth, that means our root folder, I am going to create few more folder. First one will be partials. Secondly, let's make users, config, and let's make another one with the name of image. Let me down